Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about sets using various examples. So sets presents using the curly brackets. Sets presents using the curly brackets. You can assign any value to sets. String, suppose I am assigning string here and print set1. This is set. Let's check the type of set1. Type of set1. So you can see class is set. You can assign numbers also. Set1 is equals to, suppose I am giving 1 2 3 into set1, print set1. Okay, you can assign boolean values also, true and false. So you can assign boolean values also. Okay, let's try one more example containing all the things: string, number and boolean type. Now I am giving a string value containing ABC, one number and true as a boolean value. Let's print this. Print set1. So you can see I am getting output ABC and 1 because here 1 and true are the same things. In set there is a point to be noted. 1 and true are the same things, and set never prints the duplicate values. Sets never prints the duplicate values. If you have set1 ABC 1 and ABC again, if you print this set, you will get ABC only once. Okay, I hope this is clear. Sets never prints the duplicate values. Okay, moving on. Now it is also possible to make a set using a set constructor. Here you need to use double round brackets if you want to use set constructor, set as a constructor. Okay, so here I am giving ABC 1 and in this double quotes male, let's print this set1. So you can see this is set values. Let's check the type of set1. Type of set1. Class is set. I hope this is clear how we can use set constructor. Okay. So now we will learn about how we can access each element of a set. Suppose I have set1 is equals to apple, mango and kiwi. Okay. Now I want to access each element from the set1. Print x in set1, print for x in set1, print x. So you can see apple, mango, kiwi. Okay, we can access each element of set1 in this way by using the for loop. Okay, we can also check whether this element is present in this set or not. So how we will do that? Print mango is mango in set1, true. From here we can check whether mango is present in set1 or not. Let's check the fruit name which is not present in set1. Suppose I am giving apple here. So this is giving us, this is also present. Suppose I am giving plum. Plum in set1, false. No, plum is not present. Okay. I hope this is clear. Moving on to the unchangeable property of the set. Point to be noted here. Set has unchangeable property. Unchangeable means you cannot change the values which you have in the set. Okay, suppose I have in set 1 apple and mango. Now I want to change apple with plum. So I cannot change it. Let's try this. Apple को आपको plum से change करना है. Okay, let's print this. Set 1. So this will give you an error. Set object does not support item assignment. This means you cannot change the values of set. Okay, I hope this is clear. But here you can add values to set. You can remove values from the set. How you will add values to set? You can add like set 1 dot add. You want to add orange to set 1. Now print this set 1. You can see apple, mango, orange. Okay. In the similar way, you can add, like, you can give set 2 with the value orange, and you can update using the update function, and in that you can give set 2. Print set 1. Okay. Similarly, you can remove the values from the set. Suppose I want to remove mango from the set 1. So set 1 dot remove mango. Now let's print this set 1. Apple and orange is the remaining values in set 1. Similarly, you can use more functions of set like discard. Set 1 dot discard. Suppose I want to delete apple from the set 1. Let's print this set 1. After removing apple, okay, let's assign again values to set 1. Apple and mango. Remaining value in set 1 is mango. So what is the difference between the remove function and discard function? Let's check the difference of the remove function and discard function. If the value is not present in set 1, which we want to remove, so that then it will give you an error, but the discard function will not give you an error. Let's try this. Suppose we have set 1 having values apple and mango. Now I want to use remove function having value orange and print set 1. It will give you an error, key error orange. Okay. If we will use discard here, it will not give you any error. I hope the difference between remove and discard is clear. Similarly, you can use another functions like pop also. Set 1 dot pop. If you are not giving any value to the pop function, then it will remove the random value. It will remove the random value among these two values. Okay. I hope this is clear. Remove, discard and pop function. Similarly, you can delete and clear. Suppose I want to use the clear function. Set 1 dot clear. Let's print this set 1. So you can see set 1 retains. If you use the delete function, it will delete the set. It will delete the set. If you will use del set 1, here is name set 1 is not defined. Delete will delete the set 1. Okay. There is one more function to add two sets, that is union. Union. How you can use the union function? Suppose in set 1 I have apple and plum, and in set 2 I have orange. You can use set 1 dot union set 2 and you can print set 1. So you can see apple and plum. So you can see set 1 dot union set 2 gives apple and plum only. You need to assign this union of set 1 and set 2 to another set, then it will give you a right answer. Apple, orange, plum. If you are giving here 1, 2, 3, you will get 1, 2, 3, plum and apple. You just remember this thing. You need to assign this set 1 union set 2 to another variable to get the correct result. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel.